What's up, guys? Hopefully you can see me. Let me know in the chat when you can, and let's talk about Bitcoin. See what's going on here. Are we gonna get a dip here? Pump? What's going on? Yeah, stuff set up. How's everyone doing? What's up, Nathan, Dan T, Dirksy, Victor, Jay, and Joe? What's up, guys? Ganja God, CCS, what's up? Jeremiah, Guy, Joseph, the Pothead, nice name. So anyways, what's going on, guys? I just got home, really haven't even looked at the charts yet. I just thought I would pull this up and start a little live stream, see what's going on, guys. Let me get a couple things situated here. What's up, Sean? Don't forget to smash the likes, guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. YouTube is sucking with getting videos out for me. I could use your guys' help. All you have to do is click that little share button and share it. Novsky, Sean, what's up, fellas? George, get that like in early, then sit back and enjoy the charts. Yeah, we'll get into the charts here in a minute. Looks like, I don't know, we'll see here in a second. Like I said, Jeremiah, what's up, man? How close are you to 12K? I think I need like, I think I need 20 or 25 people for the 12,000. So would be much appreciated. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button. This is a live stream. It's not the norm. I do daily updates every single morning for those of you that don't know. 14K or no cigar. Vladimir, what's up, man? Crypto Bagger, Shane, Z, 61 people, 40 likes. Come on, guys, smash them. All right, let's take a look at the charts. Like I said, this is a 15 minutes, so we are getting smashed up in between the EMAs here. We're getting support on the 55, getting resistance from the 13, 8, and 21. Let's go into the 4-hour real quick. I have this rising broadening wedge drawn in here. All depends. If we break down out of this in the next 4 hours, guys, we could be going as low as this 200 EMA here, which is about 82.89. I doubt that's gonna happen, but we never know. It is Bitcoin. I'd like to see us get above this trend line here. We may crawl along this for another day or so before making a move up or making the move down here. I believe this trend line right here is going to be key here. We'll see what happens. We could pump right up out of this here, and let's take a little measured move off of the 4-hour. That would possibly, if we did break up from here, we would be looking at right at that 97.50 I have marked up there. See what happens. Cash Boy Biggs, CryptoSavy, where is BTC going short term? I still believe up. I mean, we could come back down, test the bottom of this as long as we don't break it around 9100. And as long as that 9100 holds, I believe we are in pretty good shape. We also have this trend line here that's pretty significant too. I guess worst case we could probably drop down to 9,000 maybe. But I don't know. We definitely still got room here in the RSI, guys, in the 4-hour to have another pump up. I'd like to see us get up to that 96.70 to 97.50 range, and then maybe do some more accumulation there. Where's all the double thumbs down? Rafa, what's up? Z-Beats and Futures Gap. Well, yeah, we're gonna have to have a correction, you know, eventually. I mean, we can't keep going straight up. The further we go straight up without a correction, the harder the correction's gonna be. Remember that. Mitchell Fairman, hey guys, love watching this, hooked on this every day. Thanks, man. I appreciate the support of each and every one of you guys. Guy said, nice music. I'm watching in my car delivering pizzas, kind of bumps. That's sweet. Jim's fans, hi Savy, how are you? What's up, Phil? Hi Savy, how are you? Look yellow as a Simpson, just kidding. Glad to have you here with us. Am I yellowish? Is something going on with my camera? It does look strange. I don't know what the hell's going on with it. I did unplug it and plug it back in. Maybe all the settings reset or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll play with that later. Actually, let me look at it now. Just for shits and giggles, let's see what's going on. Hold on 1 second, guys. 1 second. These. I don't know what the hell is going on. No idea. It is kind of yellow. I don't understand what the hell is going on there. See what's up with. Let me try messing with it a little bit. Yeah, it did reset all my crap here. Really, we'll probably end up screwing it up if I mess with it. I think I'm just gonna keep it this way for now. I will have to mess with that later. Oh well, you're stuck with me being yellow, guys. Thought you'd been in a sunbed. Michael Fairman, hit the like and subscribe. Does this every day. Very least we could do. Yes. And share. Share would be nice. I would greatly appreciate that. That yellow is really bugging me, guys. I may have to, music's a little loud for you, Crypto Crazy. I'll turn it down a little bit. There you go. Guys, can you hold on 1 second? I gotta fix this. This is bugging me. So, yeah, hold on 1 minute. I will be right back. Stick around. I will be right back, guys. I promise. Really screwed up here. Huh, I don't know what's going on. Give me 1 more minute. I think I'm kind of getting it, maybe. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I think I got it. I hope I didn't lose too many people there. Really trying to figure out what the hell's going on. And I'm not totally sure what the hell's going on. If I missed anything in the chat, just hold on a minute. I will get back in there. Pull up the chat. Alright, guys. A little bit better anyway. I'll have to mess with that later. I don't know what's going on there. It was really weird. I started my computer up, my mouse didn't work, then I had to play around with that for a little bit, and then my camera didn't work, had to play around with that for a little bit. So I don't know what the hell's going on. My hat's not blue. I don't know what's going on. Only Savvy can gain viewers during technical difficulties. Technical difficulties suck. I'm not very technical, not very computer savvy. Let's go back into let's stick around in that 15-minute for a while, see what's going on. We are dropping below the EMAs in the 15-minute. Could we get a BART pattern? Possible. The RSI does have some room to come down. I mean, yeah, we could come down, maybe test the 200 or 9200 again. See what happens here. Now you got that Ohio tan. Yeah, like I said, I have no idea. I'll have to mess with that afterwards. I'm kind of a perfectionist with that crap, so that's bugging the shit out of me, guys. Big time. I don't know what the hell happened. I had all those settings pretty damn good. Now they're pretty screwed up. It's better with a suntan, to be honest. Now it looks like you need a bit of tan. Yeah, I have no freaking idea what the hell happened there. One more freaking time. Let me zoom in so I can see it. And yeah, my color is way off. Way off. I don't know what happened there. Contrast. Ooh. Brightness. Right there. All right, tried one more thing. Let's see if that works. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I'm done. Promise. It's still bugging the shit out of me, but I'm all right with that for now. So vain. No, man, it just bugs me. Like I said, I like shit to be right. We popped back above the 55 EMA on the 15-minute. Again, guys, we're only on the 15-minute here. Kind of give us a clue what's going on. We're trapped in between the 813.21 and 55 is support right now. Yeah, it's just the colors all screwed up and shit. You have a trading view tutorial on your channel, Savvy? No, but that's a good idea. I think I will. I can, you know, kind of go through it, show you how to set it up and whatnot. I think I may do that. Umi said it matches your glowing personality. Let's get back to Bitcoin porn. All right, D Silva. Hello, Savvy. What price of Bitcoin are you unloading a significant amount of your holding? Thanks. I'm never gonna sell it all. I'll probably sell a little bit up on the real bull run. You know, I'll just sell a percentage on the way up, 5% here, 5% there, but I'll never get rid of all of it. How do you feel about trading bots like 3 commas? I saw some YouTubers like Chico Crypto and CryptoSavy promoting it. I want your take on it. I don't know. I've gotten emails, them wanting to pay to promote it too. I'm not into the trading bot stuff. I've never tried it, so I can't say one way or the other. I haven't tried it myself, so I don't know. Beavis, thanks. Thank you for the support. AP said, do you have a daughter? I want to marry into the family. Oh, Ricky T. Miller. Use Nexo, keep your cryptos. Merrick Chris, thank you very much, Savvy. I have a similar plan, not selling all. Don't want to regret selling too soon. Yeah, for sure. What's up, Joseph? Yeah, you're late. We had technical difficulties anyway, so yeah. Let's look at where this possibly could correct to if we don't continue up from here. Was this the 5th wave? That is a possibility, and I'm gonna go into this chart here. Let me get this stuff off of here. And for those of you that haven't seen, this is pure speculation, but a possibility, and I'll show you real quick here in a minute. If we do get up to that 10,000, 10,005, somewhere in that range, we could make a huge inverted head and shoulders. It's definitely a possibility. Like I said, it's pure speculation. Can't really say that that's going to happen now, but it is something to watch out for. All right, let's do a Fibonacci retracement on just this move here. I do believe this was the 5th wave. If we came back down to the... It all depends on if this thing is going to continue here. Like I said, that could be an extended 5th wave. We talked about that in the video this morning, and I will go back over into the show you here. If this is the 5th wave, which I believe it to be, I'll put in the waves real quick so you can see it. And if I miss anything in the chat, don't feel bad to continue asking or whatever until I do see it. Can't. All right, so if this is the end of the 5th wave, let's say this is the end here and we go down, right? Where could the correction go? Where could we be looking to correct? I'm not convinced that this is the end of the move, but if it was, we would take the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom of wave 1 up to top of wave 5 here. Let's see. Correcting back to this line here. Let's put in some targets. If we did correct back down to retest this trend line, that would be in the area of that 8750 area. If we came down to the 382 level, actually a little bit lower, guys, that's around that, yeah, around the 8750. The 382 retracement would be 8284, and the 0.78, or I mean the golden pocket area would be around that 75-76 area. But until we know if this wave is finished with it, which I don't think it is, I'm not gonna worry about those. Whomie said it's not time to sell. Don't be speculating on speculation, Emmett. Okay then. Muchas gracias for all you do, amigo. Right on, Chili Dog. Nice name, Chili Dog. Make sure you smash the likes, guys. Borrow on your cryptos, only pay back 5.8% and keep your capital gain taxes, state tax, and federal tax. On what? New parabolic run has started. If it is, it's not the parabolic run, I don't believe yet. I don't think we're gonna probably see the crazy run till after maybe mid-year, maybe start. I like big runs, I cannot lie. Merry Chris Abba, do you guys like Chico Crypto? DJ, maybe it's possible to make tutorial about Elliott Wave. I can. I don't really like Elliott Wave, guys. I've explained that a million times. That's what I used to trade with. I don't like Elliott Wave. It's just too subject. I don't like it. It's not good for projecting. I mean, unless you can, like in this was pretty simple, but still, if you listen to Elliott Wave guys, well, I really don't like this wave. I don't like how this did this, and it's much easier using support, resistance, trend lines, EMAs, volume, Fibonacci, and that's what really works with Elliott Wave. It's the Fibonacci. It's not the Elliott Wave. Scott Palmer, thanks for subscribing to the channel and welcome. Much appreciated. I like the shirt. Is that from your wife's site? Yes, it is from my wife's site. If you guys want to check that stuff out, it's down below. It's inkyorimage.com. She not only does the stuff listed there, there's other stuff, hoodies, keychains, whatever. Check it out if you guys are looking for some crypto gear or just a gift, family stuff. She can put pictures or whatever you want on that stuff. Big Ralph. You can use Nexo to borrow your cryptos instead of selling your assets. Yeah, I don't know about all that crap. I don't trust any of that. Waves are for potato chips. Vladimir, Savy, what highs can Litecoin hit when Bitcoin hits 29K? Your guess is as good as mine. Bitcoin hits 29K, you know, Litecoin could be around $1,000, $1,500 maybe. That's too early to say. Bitcoin is making some hidden bullish divergence here, though. Like Bitcoin is ready to attempt another push up at some point here. Remember, the daily candle is going to start. There's a good chance we get a dip on the beginning of the daily candle. Does happen a lot. If it shoots up, then most likely it'll correct afterwards. What was your wife's website name again? It's inkyorimage.com. I will pull it up right here, and it's spelt image. That is Ink Your Image right there. There's a link to it down below if you scroll down in the description. Check it out. Like I said, there's more stuff than what she lists in here. You just have to hit her up in the contact right up here. But yeah, coffee mugs, aluminum signs, and on those aluminum signs, she can put like family pictures, whatever. She also has these big glass things she can put whatever you want on. They actually come with clips. It sticks out from the wall so light gets behind it. Looks pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, check the stuff out. It's a great way to help support the channel if you guys enjoy the channel. If you don't, more power to you. Nothing's necessary, guys. Maybe you can just show us how to put all your EMAs in the chart, Avsky. Yeah, for sure. I'll do that. I will make a tutorial. I'll take some time out. I'll try to have it out by this weekend, and I'll start with a fresh chart and just kind of show you how I put my stuff on there, and I'll kind of run through some other stuff. I know a lot of people like using MACD and whatnot. I don't, but what's on here? Yeah, we're getting hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour too right now. Let's see, yeah. if we close up here, we're getting hidden bullish divergence, which is lower lows right here. Here, let me change that to white so you guys can see it. If we close here, that could drop down more and erase it, but there is some hidden bullish divergence right there, guys. Lower lows in the RSI, higher lows in the price action. We have 8 minutes left though. This could still drop down, and if it does, it can erase that. Remember that. We will keep it up and keep an eye on it and see what happens. So you guys know the RSI follows the body, not the wicks. So when you're measuring divergence, do not use the wicks. Can you please explain huddle bullish divergence you mentioned? Sorry, I'm not seeing it. Much appreciated. Chris Jones, yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you see, and mind you, this is on the 4 hour, so it is not closed yet. But if you look at this close down here, that's this candle right here. And if we were to close this candle where it's at now, that would be hidden bullish divergence. It's lower lows in the RSI, higher lows in the price action. That would be hidden bullish divergence. And bullish divergence would be lower lows in the price action, higher lows in the RSI. Right on. Waiting for the run tonight. Need a big run. Runs are fun. Yes, they are. Steve Beber, your music's making me fall asleep. Sorry, man. We'll take a vote. Hit 1, keep the music on. 2, take the music off. I just do that to kill the dead space, guys. Hypnotic. Bitcoin broke. Chris Galty. Bitcoin Bobby G, what's happening? Chomsky said turn it up. Looks like we're getting one on live stream. Yeah, a lot of people said not to do it on the morning updates, which I won't. What's up, Sean? All right, it sounds like we keep the music on. Sorry about you guys that do get offended, but I am letting the community vote, and there is way more votes for one. So I apologize to those that don't like it. DJ Jansen, maybe idea for a t-shirt with text. Tranche, financially, actually rich, but trapped in a poor body. Keep the music on when live stream. Felix Sora just subscribed. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here and you haven't, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to the channel, I don't know what the hell that is. Make sure you do that. I do daily updates every single morning and show you my view of the market. So yeah, make sure you do. Not offended. Thanks, man. What do you think we'll pass 9.5 tonight? I don't know. Let's see where this closes first. Let's see where this closes. It is trying to drop. We still got 5 minutes, so let's see where this 4 hour closes first, and then we'll go from there. And remember, once it closes, we could get a dip down, you know, maybe down to the 91.50, which would be the 13 EMA here on the that's on the 4 hour guy. DJ Savy spinning those sultry beats. Andrea said no bullish divergence. Well, let's see where it closes. If we close up here, we got some hidden bullish divergence there, guys. You know, we also have, I'll show you this, and I've noticed this, and I've watched it in Bitcoin, and 80% of the time we have, if you look right here, well, I guess not. I was gonna say we have some bearish divergence, but this is a little bit lower. So no, we don't. But a lot of times you'll see bearish divergence or hidden bearish divergence along with hidden bullish divergence, and The hidden divergence usually continues the trend, and our little trend is up. So the hidden, 80% of the time, the hidden trumps it. Jeremiah said, I think we're in for a retest. It's possible. Thanks for your wife's website. Just bought a mug and a shirt of Bitcoin. Great items. Thanks, Michael. Let me know what you think of it, too. It's quality stuff, too. You'll like it. I've never had anyone complain. It's not iron-on. It's not crappy. You can't feel it. It doesn't wash out ever. Even on the mug, you'll be impressed. It's good stuff. Thank you. Crown was calling for a dip to 9150 before a retest up to 9500, 9600. We'll see. But yeah, 9150 would line up with the 13 EMA. It'd be around 9165. But that's also the 0.236 retracement. Damn it. Yeah, that's also the 0.236 retracement is around 9145, which I'm not saying it isn't possible, but I am saying it's not necessary. 9100, let's see. Yeah, about 9100 would retest this white trend line right here. See what happens. Still want to see how this closes. We got 2 minutes. Is it going to erase the hidden bullish divergence or not? Gonna put my new rocking system together tonight. 4 34-inch wide curved screens. Getting ready for this bull run. Nice. Man, is that an ascending triangle on the 1 hour? Let's wait till this closes and then I'll check it out. Can I get your mug on a mug? Yeah, just ask the wife. She'll put it on there for you. I've been following you for a couple weeks. Love your TA, DJ from the Netherlands. Thanks, DJ. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for the support, brother. Only if you put the mug on a mug on a mug. You can do whatever. That would be a bigger order. 12H just went red. 12 hour just went red. 1 minute. It might erase this hidden bullish divergence here. Let's see what happens, guys. Looking pretty doji on the 12 hour. Yeah, I don't play with the 12 hour. What's the daily look like? Daily doesn't look like a doji, really. I mean, somewhat, but not really. Moonstalkers. Where's your monster? Right here, G4L. What's up, Savy? If we hit the 13 EMA, where do we bounce to? If we do, I'm still looking for these targets here. I have two up here, the 9670 and then the 9750 in that range. That's what I'm looking for the next leg up. And we closed up there, so we do have hidden bullish divergence. Like I said, though, this could come down, give us a wick, and then up from there. Let's see what happens. BTC will be hit by the coronavirus soon. David, what's up, man? BC Matrix, how you doing? Cheers. Target 9.5. That's the target I had there yesterday. I did raise it. I think around 9, like I said, 96.50 to 97.50. Is that what I said? Yeah, around 96.50 to 97.50 I'm looking for. Last night I was looking for around the 95.50 to 96.50. I think we're gonna get up a little bit higher than that. All right, here we go. See what happens. I'm gonna get this out of the way here. 10 hour and 12 hour of an interesting. Yes, significant. You're right, Savy. Cryptocurrency is the future. I do believe so. I'm a true believer, man. I'm a 100% believer in crypto. What's the fear and greed index? Hasn't really changed since this. Oh, don't forget, guys, Bybit. If you guys sign up using my link, they have the $300 giveaway. To get that, though, you need 1 Bitcoin deposited. So if you're not an actual trader, I wouldn't mess with it. But if you do want to dabble with trading, you can get a $90 reward. If you was to put a whole Bitcoin in, you get another 300 bucks. But yeah, if you are going to try it, definitely try a testnet first. Don't just jump in, throw a bunch of money in, and expect to get rich, because that's probably not what's going to happen. We are dipping down a little bit. I got a Prime XBT one down there too that gives you a 30% sign-on bonus. Worried about a drop here, hoping for a pop. What's up, Matt Jensen? We aren't looking so good, Savy, Matt says. I don't think we're looking bad. We're actually just got to bounce off the 8 EMA here. Like I said, I'm seeing hidden bullish divergence still. It does definitely looks like the RSI is set up to at least have one more push up here, in my opinion. We could. I don't know why this trend line's so screwed up here. Let me see some. Can you guys hear me all right? The microphone's a little further away than normal today, but yeah, we could come back down to retest this. That would probably get us down to that 91.50, 91.60 range, which would line up with that 13 EMA on the 4 hour. But we did get a nice bounce off that 8 EMA here. See if we can hold it. If we can hold it up. If not, I'd be looking for this 91.50 to 91.85 and looking for a bounce there. That would be retesting the top of this falling channel here in the 4 hour. But it actually isn't looking too bad right this minute. Joseph Anderson said, now up from here. RSI is a low. Pump it. Looks like we are tickling the 382. The 382 off of what? The bigger picture? Yeah, right here. Oh, oh, you're looking off of the bigger time frame, and no, the 382 off of the whole move is up here at 97.70 area. Oh no, I'm sorry, take that back. Here like this, dibs in. Let's see. I see what you're saying. You're saying off of the retracement of the dip here. So yeah, we are sitting on it in the daily. Right on top of the 382. Who said that? John? Thanks, man. But yeah, sitting right on top of the 382 there. Back over to here. I'm gonna get that Elliott wave off there, guys. All right, let's see what happens. I'll hang out here for a little bit. Those of you that want to stick around and hang out and check it out. Increase likes now. I will bitch. Oh, somebody is at the front door. Hold on a second, guys. Let's see who's at the front door. It is UPS. Wow, they're late. Alrighty, back at it. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Limit up Savy. It actually looks like we could correct more from here, to be honest, but we'll see what happens. Like I said, we could come back down and retest the top of this channel in my RSI, which would bring us down to that 180, 9180. The 0.236 retracement of this little move is at the 9150. Let's go back into the 15 minute and see what that looks like. So on the 15 minute, we have dropped below all the EMAs here, so it does look like we're probably going to continue down a little bit here, and could be to that 9150 area. In the 15 minute, that would be the 200 EMA. The RSI definitely has room to get down there. We should know pretty quick what's happening with Litecoin. Litecoin has fallen below the white trend line again, and was not able to make a new high yet. Doesn't mean we're not going to. Litecoin could be correcting a little bit here. If Bitcoin corrects here, Litecoin most likely will be correcting with it, and that would possibly be going down to the $57 range. 200 EMA on the 4 hour would be around the $53 range. But this is just the beginning of a new 4 hour, new daily, new hourly candles, so wouldn't make any huge decisions yet. But we are definitely below all the EMAs here. So it looks like we're probably headed down to that 91, which would be around the 200 EMA on the 15 minute, which also lines up pretty well with the 0.236. If that was to break, our next stop is going to be around the 89.60. I don't think we're going to go that low, guys. We're probably going to come retest this here. See, this was old resistance in this area. DL, welcome to the channel. Jago, you're always late. No big deal, brother. Joseph Anderson said sideways, then to 95. We'll see here. If we break this low over here at 92.25, we're most likely headed to that 91.50, 91.60 range. Umi said I liked so hard. BTC got me jacked up for show. Cheers, man. I'm looking for that same 91.50 area. John Brunson. Oh yes, snap into a blockchain. I like that, Emmett. That's pretty funny. All right, guys. What do we have for? I have to say I always skip through your videos when you talk about Litecoin. Oh, sorry you feel that way, brother. What's up, Mike Weber? Hot dogs back at you. We will get a bounce up to 91. We will get a bounce up 91.50. Juan Lopez. Rise a little bit more before correction. I don't know. Looks like it's having a little corrections here, right here. The EMAs are crossing. The 8 has crossed, 13 has crossed, 21 would be the next one to cross the 55 here, guys. So we're definitely going to continue down a little bit. This is why I love my EMAs. And if you look at the RSI here, the RSI will most likely come back down into, let me get this off here. Here, this is supposed to be for the hourly charts. I'm gonna hide that. Damn it. There we go. Get it off of the minute chart. Draw a trend line on the RSI right. There we go. 92.50. Am I crazy thinking it could hit 9,800 by Sunday? Nope, not crazy at all. C127 Pilot Dude said, I don't skip the LTC segments of your videos. Well, thanks, man. I get it. Some people don't like Litecoin, but I do. Take a poll and see how many want to hear about Litecoin. Bet it's very low. Hit 1 if you like the Litecoin updates with the Bitcoin updates in the videos. Hit 2 if you don't. Let's do a vote. Let's see. Jev, sorry about your doggy. Thanks for rescuing, and please do more of this. Yeah, we're going to rescue one probably this week. Another one. Looks like the ones have it, guys. Looks like the ones have it. You're wrong, Steve. Chris said I skip BTC most days. So what's the low on LTC? We just talked about that. We could, I mean, it could go as low as 53. I mean, that's a possibility, but let me throw them fibs back on there. I just talked about that a minute ago. 55. 55 EMA on the 4 hour is around the 57.50. So I'd look for a bounce there if we didn't get one here. Next stop would be 56.40 and then 55. But by the looks, well, I guess it could come all the way down and test this, so we'll see. Was this the end of wave 5 for Bitcoin? That's the question. And I don't think it is. Times LL troll. Guy who wanted to pull just voted 2 like 28 times. It's all good, man. Bitcoin fund manager, that Korean guy, said we will go to 7.2K. Be careful watching him. He gets a little silly with his prediction. Impeach Litecoin. I want a hoodie. Does she have those? Yeah, Scott, she has hoodies. Like I said, just hit her up in that. If you go to the contact, she'll get back with you quick too. She's you hit the contact on the page right up here and let her know you're looking for the hoodie or whatever. If you've seen the hoodies I wear, yeah, she can put anything you want on the hoodies. So, yep. Like I said, she's got hoodies and keychains, a lot of other stuff she doesn't list. So yeah. Back to work. Enjoy the rest of the day, everybody. Thanks for the vid. Right on, Anthony. Have a good day at work, man. Bryce McDuffie, 70% Bitcoin, 30% Litecoin. Yep. Same. Sitting here with my son and we're loading up LTC and BTC. 50 shift. Alrighty, let's see what's crack-a-lackin'. Actually, so will we bounce back straight up from here? We did hit this trend line down here on the RSI, but this is a 15-minute. Let me go over to the 4 hour. Pull up the RSI. Yeah, see, I still think Bitcoin wants to give one more attempt to get up here, and the RSI has reset. see there's lower lows here, or higher lows here, lower lows here. But let's wait for the end of this. The end of this 4 hour will be, you'll know what's going on by then, I'm pretty sure. I do have a little Tron, only a few $100 worth. Gonna be more upside in light. Yeah, I think Litecoin's still the same thing in the 5th wave here, and I do have the target of 66. Is still, that's been my target. If you watch my videos from way back, that would be retesting this high over here, around 66 for the wave 5. And like I talked about in Bitcoin, we could be seeing the same thing in Litecoin. And again, this is pure speculation, guys, but we could be seeing left shoulder, head, go up to 66, and make a right shoulder. Never know. We'll keep an eye on it. That's why I do daily updates. We try to catch that stuff and track it. So, but it does look like Litecoin wants another push up here to at least the 66 range, maybe even get up to that 70 to 75 possibly, but I'm thinking around 66 before a correction, a real correction. I don't think we're going below 9,200 before we top. You mean on this little run, this little wave? Yeah, probably. Could be. There's definitely some support right here. But let's look over. Let's go to the 4 hour and look at where we're at for support there. Yeah, there's a lot of trading going on in this area. Let me put up, do I have the VPR on this chart? I do. Put that up here. So here, if we drop below that 9150, we could go all the way down to the 8850 range. But I don't think we will yet. I think we're gonna go higher here. After this little dip. Let me get this off here. But yeah, for you guys that asked about the trading view setup, I will definitely do that. Like I said, I'll try to have it out by this weekend, and just show you how I set mine up. But I can run through and show you a little bit more stuff too that I don't use, that you know, a lot of people do. You know, a lot of people use a lot of different stuff, so you kind of got to play with stuff, see what works for you. I can show you what I use and what works for me, but you know, depending on your style and what you're doing, it could be different for everybody. Riot says, what? Liked when you used to throw Ethin once in a while. Definitely like the fact you don't show shit coins. Keep Litecoin. Yeah, I looked at Ethereum yesterday. And it looked like it had broken out. I have not looked at it since then. Like I said, I don't have any Ethereum and don't really plan to, but I will pull it up. I mean, there's a lot of people interested in it. I am not, but yeah, we broke back down in there. Actually, this trend line not right, so technically we did not even break out of that. So yeah, Ethereum has to break. If it can break up out of this, then we probably Ethereum will probably see a pretty nice move here. At least around that 220. It definitely has to break this 180 first. All right, will we continue down or get a bounce this area? Really looks like it wants to come back down and test the 9150, which is that 0.236 rate. Like I said, as you can see, the EMA's crossing the 21 is crossing the 55 right here. So yeah, we got a little bit more down to go. Might shoot down here and get a hell of a bounce here at this. We're definitely at least gonna get a bounce at that 91.50 here, right in that range. Guys, if you haven't smashed the like button, it takes 2 seconds. The least you can do, smash it. Thanks, Big Ralph. What's up, Masked Ninja? Bitcoin Fund Manager is a scam artist. The Martini guy did a video on him. Watch it, you'll understand. Savy, do you own anything other than Bitcoin and Litecoin? Yeah, I have some other stuff. Obviously, BAT. I get a lot of tips in BAT token. And I have a little bit of mixed stuff. Basically, stuff I got for free. I don't invest in any of the other stuff. I mean, I'm looking at the big picture. I don't believe hardly any of the crypto is going to actually succeed. And I think it'll stick around. A lot of it'll stick around and be traded, but I don't see a lot of the other stuff succeeding. But that's my opinion. You got your own. Getting into the oversold, Joseph said. Yeah, on the 15-minute. It sure is. Look at the 4-hour. Yeah, 4 hours. See, on the 4 hour, the 13 EMA is right around the 90, 91.70, 91.50. It'd be around the same range. And there is not hidden bearish divergence as of now. It depends on where the 4 hour closes, guys. We are just kind of staring at the 15-minute here. What is it that draws you to Litecoin? The decentralization, and it's like a little brother to Bitcoin. It doesn't try to compete with Bitcoin. I think anything that tries to compete with Bitcoin is gonna fail, and it's gonna fail miserably. But that's my opinion. People get real aggressive with their opinions in this space. Who did the 2 dislikes? Haters and trolls, man. Everybody has them. They're just people that need hugs and tissues and miserable people. You know, I don't understand. Like, all it takes is the tip, brother. Yeah, I don't understand people that just go in and troll channels. I mean, I got tons of guys I don't like. For one, I just don't go watch their videos, and for two, I'm not gonna sit there and troll in their chats and crap. I mean, that's just, people have issues. People really have issues. Don't like smart contracts? Nah. Nope. Applications are being used on the EOS. Second time testing 92. Yeah, it seemed like you get a nice little bounce there too. But like I said, if it doesn't turn around on this candle, that 21 EMA crosses the 55 here in about 4 minutes. I always smash the like every time for Savy. Thanks, Steve. That's much appreciated. Dev said, come on, buyers. Come on, bulls. Oh, sounds like my wife's home, guys. I'll stick around for the next 15-minute candle, though. Hi, babe. Love the free Discord, Savy. Anything new coming to the channel? Yeah, guys, don't forget, there's a free Discord group. There's a link to it in the description below the video. Definitely check it out. And yeah, there's going to be some new stuff added to the channel. I will bring that up as it comes up. I'm waiting to buy the dip. That cord? I'm live right now, babe. That's funny, Sean. Alice said, can we see her? They want you to come put your head in here and say hi, Laura. What? I don't think she'll get in front of the camera, guys. James McGirt. Buy the dip, it's a sale. Nice, Emmett. Sing it. Let's see if we get the bounce at that 9150. Another opportunity for people to buy before it heads back up. Thanks, Christian. Appreciate that. Right on. See, when I'm not talking there, what would you guys listen to if I didn't have the music in? Ask Ninja said I'm not. Jeff said, hello, Mrs. Savvy. Thank you. At 11.5, you'll wish you would have bought it now. You know what? Let me show you guys real quick. Just something to watch for. You know, I am a long-term bull for sure. But I do have this theory as something we might see. I'm gonna actually get rid of this bottom line. Put this up here. So you're gonna turn that white. I've showed this for those of you that haven't seen it. I'm gonna show it again right now. If we take the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high up here at 19.8 down to the swing low at 3100, 3200, bring it over, you'll see that this run up got us up to the 0.65, 0.618 golden retracement. And if we do the same thing from here, from our 3.8 or 13.8 down to the 6400, our retracement is right at the 11.1. Watch for a major rejection there. Be careful. If we blow through it, great, that's bullish as hell. If not, we could come all the way back down to the $78,000 to $8,000 level before coming back up, which would look something like this. And if you've seen this earlier, I'm just showing people because I really want people to be aware that this could happen. We come all the way back down and then shoot up. But if we do break there, kudos, it will be a hell of a run. But this would be, if we did come up in here, this would probably be around the end of February, and then we would come down, and right around that halving time would be when we retest this area over here. Again, this is just speculation, but it is something to keep an eye on, and I want you guys to be aware of that. I kick myself every day for not buying more when I did when BTC was at $9. I bet you do, man. That would suck. Mad and Crack. Thank you, Savvy. So many people talking about the same stupid stuff. You talk about the things that we really need to know. Thanks, man. My brother kept telling me to buy more. If we go past that, then we will have to look. Yeah, we're in the oversold. I was thinking it was some kind of scam. Yeah, that's some people. Unfortunately, most people do still think it's a scam. One last bounce, in other words, said Hog. Let's see. Straighten this out. 25. But I think this 9150 is most likely going to hold here. Buffering. The wife has the cords. It shouldn't be buffering. It's not buffering on my side. Is it working now? What the hell is going on? Boston says cup and handle. I don't know. I don't like that as a cup and handle. I know a lot of people are talking about it, but I don't think it's a cup and handle, to be honest with you. I mean, the target would be, where the hell would the target be? Way the hell up there. If this was a cup and handle, which I don't think it is. Would be around 12,000, but honestly, I don't think that's a cup and handle. Just don't like the way it formed like that, with the high left side. Yeah, I don't know. I am hardwired, so I hope it doesn't do that crap. That must be YouTube, not me. Bastards. 200-day retest around 8,900. Yeah, after this moves over, I'm sure we'll have a bigger retracement. Like I said, guys, I still think we're working on the 5th wave. I don't believe the 5th wave is done yet. I think we're gonna get at least around 9650, somewhere in that area. 9650 to 9750. I have the 2 targets here. And how I got those targets was using my Fibonacci retracement tool, which would be right here. Start on wave 2, which is right here, up to wave 3, right here, and a 4, which is right here. And this 9673 is at the 0.618 Fibonacci extension. 0.7, actually it's down a little bit, guys. Let's put that down a little bit. Around 9660, 9650 to 9740. These are my next 2 targets. I can get this out of the way. We hit that. That was from yesterday's live stream. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at. These are my next 2 targets here. And if, as you can see, I put, if we were to fall out of this, break this trend line down here, that would get us to that 200 EMA, which is around the 8,300. Although I don't think that's going to happen, keep that as a possibility. If you are charting, put this trend line in there. Stream video halted again. I lost you due to the connection. Just in case I missed, what times do your videos and live went? My lives are random throughout the week. My morning updates are every morning between 6:30 and 7:30 Eastern AM. Whatever happened to 46,000? I was off with the time, but I don't think I'm off with the number, bub. And I don't like, and I've always said that, I don't like to judge time on the market. Man, just join not liking this drop. This drop, it's not even bad, man. We need corrections. If we don't have these, we don't have these little ones, and we go straight up, we just have a huge one. I'd much rather have these little bumps up, little correction, little bump up, little correction. Although I think if you're scared of this, I think you're going to be real scared after we have a, you know, a decent correction, which I do believe is coming after this. Doesn't seem like much new money is interested in Bitcoin at the moment. Your thoughts? It'll come all at once. When they're ready, it'll be all over the news, all over, it'll be pumping. Just like it was in 2017, when the main people that control the news and shit have their bags full right where they want them. They've accumulated everything, which will probably be after one more dip, and then it will just go from there, I believe. Any itty bitty hiccup? Yeah, exactly. Just a The market cannot go straight up. The more you watch and learn the market, the less scary all this crap is. I'm sure it just seems my timing is always off, right? What's up, Paul Bear? Good to see you, brother. $46K is gonna look like a blip. Yeah, in the big picture for sure. Brad, you'll be jumping up and down in a week. Hi, Savy from Slovenia. Thank you for your predictions. Well, thank you for your support of the channel, man. Thanks for tuning in. Scott Smith, waiting on the MA at 90.50 to cross. Do you think we go back up or down, sideways at 9.50, 91.50? I think we get a bounce at 91.50, not 90.50. And we actually see almost bounced off the 13 EMA. We didn't quite hit it though. Go back over to get into the 15 minute. As you can see, all the EMAs crossed now. Good evening, James from Dayton. Jeremiah, this ain't even a big dip. Big dips are like 700 plus in 5 minutes. Right? What's with this trial? What trial? What are you talking about, trial? Lines or bumps all the same. Don't forget, guys, if you want to get into trading, I do have links down below for Bybit and Prime XBT. Both of them give you a sign-on bonus, so you could always just use the sign-on bonus to trade and play with it. Finally convinced my girlfriend to buy some Bitcoin. She freaks out if it goes down 50 bucks. We're heading to fill the CME gap. Think we're headed there now? I don't think so. Not yet. My wife said Savy is super. Oh, Trump trial. It's a bunch of horse crap, smoke and mirrors. Going late today, Savy. Please, quick TA summary for LTC. Not much going on with LTC, Mike. I still have a target up here of the 66. What I'm looking at. Looks like we're getting a bounce off the 0.382, around 57.90. The worst I see us going on this correction would be back down to the $53 zone, but I don't think that's very likely. I think we continue up from here. We haven't even broke this high, which Bitcoin has broken its high, so I believe Litecoin's going to do the same. You know, kids, head you bought at all-time high of 2019. These moves down, don't bother one as much, just hold. What's up, Haven Shaw? I watched a $1,000 drop in 5 minutes. Yeah, man, it can get crazy. Wow, it shows up in the video. What shows up in the video? Oh, the chat. You think Mimble Wimble will affect Litecoin price? I don't know. It may, the people that trade news and stuff, but in all reality, I don't know. I'm not about the privacy stuff. The government's not going to let that stuff fly. Mike Cooker, no problem, man. Trump trial is just a re-election campaign. Volatility equals money. Yes, it does. If you learn how to trade, I'm back. I do longer swing trades. You know, I'm in trades for a couple days, couple weeks most times. I do shorter trades too. I backed off it a little bit because I'm trying to set up the membership thing and to day trade or do short trades, and that is with everything else going on. Try to live stream, work, do my morning videos. I'm back to looking for big moves, big swing trades. It's much less stress, a lot easier. Just don't like getting people fired up. There's enough people arguing about crap in the space already to bring politics in it, you know. The world's split too much between politics, and I think that's by design. What happened to Facebook bringing something out? I don't think that Facebook coin Libra, I don't think that's gonna come out. I don't think it's gonna work. Have you ever had a stop loss not execute? I have on Kraken. I definitely have. I don't use Kraken anymore. I got screwed by Kraken quite a few different ways. Savy, do you short or swing trade? I swing trade. I short too. You can swing trade shorts too. Take it easy, Haven. Or Haven. Not sure how to say that, but hey, take it easy. Yep, talk sense, not politics. Yeah, it's I think politics is just a good way to keep people divided and arguing amongst ourselves. So, I mean, I do have political views, but I don't feel a need to discuss it on my channel. This channel is for crypto enthusiasts, Bitcoin, Litecoin enthusiasts mainly, and I want to keep it that way. We leave all the other crap out, nobody gets at each other's throats. Big Ralph, what exactly is a swing trade? Longer trades, like you know, just playing the bigger time frames, bigger moves. Like a lot of swing traders will play, or I mean day traders will play hourly, 5-minute, 15-minute, 3-minute charts. You just play the bigger moves. Market moves all the same in every time frame. So I play bigger moves. That could be in a trade for, you know, a day, couple days, couple weeks. Sometimes I've been in some pretty long trades. Back this up. But yeah, like this would have been a swing trade, buying down here, riding this up. You probably wouldn't have rode it up here, maybe up in here, but yeah, swing trading is just a little bit longer. You try to play the swings. These are swings. Your swing high, swing low, swing high. And you don't worry about the tops and the bottoms because easier not to try to be exact. Michael, I bet you don't get any time to do anything else. Your days sound full on each day. Oh, and you have the wife too. Yeah, man, it gets rough. Right on. What sector are you interested in other than crypto, green, tech? I don't play in the stock market at all. I don't have time. Hey Savy, no politics, no religion, okay, but what are you talking about then? Only Bitcoin and Litecoin and wife's t-shirts isn't the solution either. What are you talking about, Krusty? Good name, by the way, Krusty. In crypto we trust. Right on. I like buy the dip and ride it up, right? Crazy Geek Freak, we mooning yet? Nope, not yet, brother. Percentage profits are all swing traders are concerned about. Percentage profit. Kinda. I guess it depends on how you trade. I trade gain more Bitcoin. My goal. Right on, Krusty. Just hard to tell who's trolling and who's not. I get sick of the trolls. I actually feel sorry for the trolls, honestly. I talked about that a little while ago. Joe Thompson, still buying and holding. I buy the weekly dips. Right on, man. Yeah, dollar cost averaging is definitely a safe, easy route. A little less stress. And less staring at the chart. So anyways, still just lingering around. Bryce McDuffie, what's happening? Are those middle fingers? I can't tell what that thing is. I think it's safe to buy now anyway. I like the perspective on how BTC is now still affordable. Just hold for a big bang. Haha. Can't wait to see 11K myself. I actually don't get the trolls, as you said. Some people have issues, mate. Simple. Right? Yeah. They just, I mean, they're obviously have nothing better to do than that. Then their life sucks, man. Is what it is. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna get off here and spend at least a couple minutes before my wife. I know she's got to go to bed early. Gotta work tomorrow. I told a viewer here that they didn't know how to trade a while back. I think you thought I was talking about you, Savy. My apologies for the confusion. Oh, it's all good, man. Yeah, I could have misread it or whatever. It happens. Hard to keep up with the chat sometimes. Hey man, great vid for what I saw. Alright, Dirksy. So anyways, thanks a lot guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I do daily updates every single day. Check out the links in the description below. All of them benefit you guys as well as me. There's quite a few down there for different stuff. Check them out if you got a minute. And everything down there is stuff I actually use and stuff. So I'm not just shilling crap. It's actually things I actually use. So anyways, check it out guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Don't forget to comment on the morning videos, and get entered to win the free t-shirt. I do that drawing on Sunday. Take it easy guys. Thanks for tuning in. You guys rock.